Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. Today I will be going through the fantastic features of the Microsoft Flight Simulator. You might be interested into aviation or might not be, but today in this video I will try change that for you by explaining some of the cool factors and explaining the parts in the Microsoft Flight Simulator. Please sit back and relax, and we'll get to the video right after the intro.
Order 129, 170, 090, descend to maintain 3000. Setting 090, to maintain 3000, Porter 129. Number 4518, speed 210, then maintain 4000.
210, then down to 4000.
Showing the 45, fly heading 095, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff.
Hey guys, so today I'm back with another video. I'm going to be showing how to open up the full simulator and explaining the whole Microsoft Flight Simulator. So sometimes if you close the simulator some way that's wrong, or like if you shut down your PC in like something that might not harm the flight sim, but like you might like get this. Now when you get this, you have two options: continue in safe mode or continue in normal modes. This is normal mode, this is safe mode. So here, as I just said, it explains your last Microsoft session ended unexpectedly. This might happen, I think, if you download like any add-ons to the flight simulator, then this might show. So for me, whenever this pops up, I just continue to normal mode. So after that, as you can see, there has been a new update in the flight simulator, and basically this is showing Sydney, Australia. So you can see the bridge over the harbor. Okay, so here you see installation manager. So what it's doing right now is it's checking if you have any current updates for your account. So it's checking if you have any current updates. If you do, then it'll pop up a screen and they'll have like downloads and where you want to put the files for your download, and it will also show this when you first download the flight simulator. After that, it'll show Sydney again. Okay, so as you can see, world update Australia, and there has been some other updates, but it's just showing the update for Australia. So it'll pretty much go on for this for like 2 or 3 minutes, and then after that it will like go into another screen and show you stuff in the flight sim. So I'll see you guys back in when I'm in the sim. So as you can see, it's showing the new updates in the flight simulator. So as you could see in that other photo, it had a picture of the 747. So here it's like bus trips, landing challenge, discovery flights, and that stuff. On the bus trips page, I don't really know what plane that is. But if you guys know, you can put it down in the comments section down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in when I'm back in the actual simulator. Okay guys, so I'm back, and so this is what you get. This is what it shows when you open up the flight simulator. So here you can see your account, your profile, which you can also access from here if you click it from here, and you can also see your flight hours, or you can click it from here and then you'll see this, and then you'll see like your service and that stuff. And then you'll have your marketplace, your activities, your flight training, and a landing challenge that the flight simulator chooses for you, and the world map. So here in the marketplace, you could see all your stuff that you can buy that's made from Microsoft or from other companies that make stuff for add-ons. So here you can see like featured aircrafts. So here you see like Beechcraft here, Twin Otter, and then you have a lot of fighter jets. And then here you have airports that you can download, and it shows the airports that you have. So like, for example, this airport here, I don't have, so it shows that I could buy it. And like all of these other airports. And here, you can see like that, it means that it has like a discount. That's what it means. So, and then there's world, it's like scenery and that stuff. And then activities, which are like training and challenges, as you can see here, and races. Weird. So when you go to world, you can go to content manager. So I got the premium deluxe version of the Microsoft Flight Simulator. So as you can see, I have 4 updates. So these are like the other updates I was talking to you about. Now it doesn't mean like all of the flight simulators that people download are the same, because I got the premium deluxe. Now there are others like just deluxe and just normal flight sim, and then that's pretty much the marketplace. And then here's activities. You have flight training, landing challenges, bush trips, which is what I showed you on before. These are the races that were in the marketplace that you could buy here. As you can see, these 2 races. And then you have like discovery flights, like Mount Everest. It's pretty much famous places that you can go to. So then you have flight training, which was in the activities section. And then you have your world map, which is how you like pick your plane and where you want to fly to. So you can either pick your plane from here in the map, or you can exit here. You can go to profile, I'm pretty sure, and then you have my hangar, and then you see like all planes. Yeah, if you click to see change aircrafts, then it has like here like all the different aircrafts. And this is like your settings menu. So like these are your like, you have general, graphics, sound, traffic, data, on and on and on. Same here, this is like assistant options over here, and you have control options, which is your like control, how you like pick your controls and that stuff. So like as you can see here, this is how to change my camera. So that's how your controls and that stuff. And here, as you could do, you could like go to any place you want. We'll go to, let's say like Egypt. Click here, or we could choose like a gate to start off. But when you click a gate, you'll have to start up the plane all the way. Or you could pick what runway to take off from and what runway to land at. And you could like pick your plane. So like for example 787. And then you could pick your liveries here. So as you can see, there's quite not a lot of liveries, but you can download add-ons. It's like weight and your fuel. And these are like failures that you want to happen. So you can like turn it on and then fail in like, for example, 10 minutes in the flight, and only fails for like 5 minutes in the flight. That's what this part is here for. Customizations, you can pick like what you want, like your flight number, like for example, like your call sign. It's pretty much like they pretty much put like your the airliner. So for example, you'd have like KLM or something. It'd be like KLM Air, or I don't really know KLM. And then you can have your flight number. It'd be like KLM flight 204, that stuff. Or you could have heavy, depending on what plane you are, depending what plane you're in. And so pretty much after that, you click here and that's it. You're in the flight. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. So I will be making further explained videos and other videos to explain how some tabs work and all specifications. So don't forget to hit the bell to get notified when that comes out. And yeah, so that's like a quick wrap up for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to smash that bell. Thank you for watching. Bye.